Please remaining participants. Only 9 participants are here. Please rest of the students. I'm waiting for everyone.
बोलना नहीं है क्या टीचर कमिंग
Okay.
गुड आफ्टरनून टीचर
So let's start our topic.
तो कर रहा हूँ
So today our topic is forest habitat. Okay. Forest habitat. Everyone can hear me? If you are not able to hear me, just send me a message in chat box. Okay, so I will unmute your mic. So let's start our topic from forest habitat. Forest habitat. Okay. So our next slide is about forest habitat is first is where forest grow. Forest कहाँ grow करते हैं? Mostly they grow in South America, Africa, and Southeast Asia. Mostly they are grow in South America, Africa, and Southeast Asia. These are the major forested areas on the earth. Okay, these are the major forested areas on earth. South America, Africa, and Southeast Asia. Next is all of you are able to hear me? All of you are able to hear me?
yes
Parva?
yes
Parva?
yes
You text me that you are not able to hear me. Why?
गुड आफ्टरनून टीचर
Good afternoon, beta. It's not good afternoon. It's good evening. Okay, it's not
Good
afternoon.
evening.
Very good. Okay, Parva. Now you are able to hear me. Parva.
टीचर यस आई हियर यू योर
Okay, that's very good. So again, I'm going to share a screen. That screen share along with the class. Okay. So our next slide is forests are the large area of land and covered with many trees and animals. As you can see that in picture, that forests are the large area of land covered with many trees and animals. Okay. In forest, we found so many trees and animals and plants over there. Okay. So our next slide is forest of the animals. Forest of the animals. Forest of the animals. There are many kinds of animals that live in the forest. Okay, these animals get what they need to survive in the forest from forest. Means in animals इनको सर्वाइव करने के लिए फॉरेस्ट से क्या नीड होती है, ये फॉरेस्ट से ही अपने जो है वो हासिल करते हैं अपने फूड को या जो भी इनकी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. ओके. Next is some animals find shelter under the canopy of the trees and that live in the forest. Some animals find shelter means कुछ animals जो होते हैं अपना shelter जो है वो trees जो नीचे कैनोपी मतलब बनी हुई होती है उसके नीचे अपना शेल्टर फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं और वहीं पे जो है वो सर्वाइव करते हैं, ठीक है। सम एनिमल्स ईट प्लांट्स फॉर फूड, कुछ एनिमल्स अपने फूड को मतलब अपनी ग्रोथ के लिए या फूड के लिए क्या खाते हैं, कुछ प्लांट्स खाते हैं, ठीक है। प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स डिपेंड ऑन ईच अदर टू गेट व्हाट दे नीड। प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स एक दूसरे पर डिपेंड करते हैं जिस चीज़ की भी उनको जरूरत होती है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल एनिमल्स जो फॉरेस्ट में लेते हैं तो वही उनका क्या है, हैबिटेट है, ठीक है। और जो एनिमल्स वहाँ पर रहते हुए उन प्लांट्स को ईट कर रहे हैं वो उनका क्या हो गया, वो उनका रिसोर्स हो गया फूड का, ठीक है। तो यस बेटा, who is not able to hear me, who is not able to hear me class,
Teacher, I.
now you can able to hear me now.
आपका वो क्या बोली?
Now Fahad, now you are able to hear me. Firat, Fahad, Parwa.
टीचर आपकी आवाज तो आ रही है मगर आपकी पिक्चर अटक रही है।
Beta, maybe there is an internet issue. There is an internet issue. Don't worry.
hear you.
There is an internet issue. Don't worry about it. Okay.
Teacher, I am here
Teacher, I am here.
and I am
Okay.
listening.
Very good. Okay.
I am listening to you.
Okay. Now I'm going to mute all your mics. So let's come back to the topic again. See, forest. There are many kinds of animals that live in the forest, as we have discussed before. These animals get what they need to survive in the forest from the forest. Okay. Some animals find shelter under the canopy of the trees and that live in the forest. Some animals eat plants for food. Plants and animals both depend on each other to get what they need to survive. Okay. Next is, oh, there are some pictures of animals and plants that eat plants. See, rabbit, grasshopper, zebra, and so many animals that eat plants. So many animals that will depend on plants. Okay. See, look at the animal which hides itself under the canopy of the tree. Look at this picture. This is the canopy. I told you before, na, some animals hide itself under the canopy of the tree for the shelter. So look at that picture. This animal hide itself under the canopy of the tree to find the shelter. Okay. Next is some examples of forest plant are moss, lichen, fern, sweet gum, and maple. Okay, again I am repeating my point. Again I am repeating my point. Moss, lichen, fern, sweet gum, and maple. Here are the pictures of all the plants and etc. We have so many plants that are found in forest, but few are here. Okay. Now, next is rainforest habitat. Rainforest habitat. Rainforest habitat. Where rainforest habitats are found. Look at the map over here. These are the countries where the rainforest habitats are found. These are the major countries where rainforest habitats are found. See, North America, Europe, Asia, Africa, South America, and Australia. But look at that Antarctica. There is no arrow show towards there is no arrow show towards the rainforest because in Antarctica there is no rainforest are found. That's why there is no arrow show towards the rainforest. Okay. So in different countries, we have different types of rainforest. North America, Olympic rainforest. In North America, those rainforests are found are called Olympic rainforest. And in South America, we have rainforest of Central America. Okay, these rainforests are found between North America and South America. That's why we called it rainforest of Central America. Okay. In South America, the rainforests are found Amazon rainforest. Next is rainforest of Southeast Asia. Means they are found between Asia and Australia. Okay. Now in Africa, Congo River Basin rainforest. Congo River Basin rainforest. Okay. Next is from Africa, other rainforests are Madagascar rainforest. Madagascar rainforest. Okay. Now come to the next slide is about rainforest habitat. They are mostly found in warm places. They are mostly found in warm places and are full of many tall trees and leafy plants. In rainforest, tall trees are found and very leafy plants are found. And their climatic features are warm. Okay, warm and rainy. It gets a lot of rain every year, helping all plants to grow. Means rainforest habitat every year they get a lot of rain, which helps the plant to grow. Okay. Next is rainforests are rich in animal life. In rainforests, most animals are found. Okay. Rainforests are populated with. In rainforests, we found different types of animals like in some examples of rainforest animals are here. There are the examples. Red-eyed tree frog. Look, red-eyed tree frog. African forest elephant. Look, African leopard. Salt water crocodile. Salt water crocodile. Sorry, my internet is not working properly. That's why I'm facing this problem. Okay, I'm again going to share the screen. So here are the examples of C. Mountain gorilla, two-toed sloth, butterfly, anaconda, black panther, scarlet macaque, white caged deer, big barn owl, okapi, tapir,